Best smart light switches for Alexa enable hands-free lighting control, energy savings, scheduling, and seamless smart home automation for everyday convenience. My today's video is about top 5 best smart light switches for Alexa that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lutron Cassetta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer Switch. The Lutron Cassetta Plug-in Smart Dimmer Kit is an excellent solution for upgrading ordinary lamps into intelligent lighting without any complicated wiring. Its plug-and-play design makes installation quick, while the included Pico remote lets you control lights from anywhere in the room or mount it like a traditional wall switch for a seamless look. The ability to switch between dimmer and on-off modes adds flexibility, making it compatible with a wide range of lighting needs. Pairing it with a Lutron Cassetta Hub unlocks advanced features such as voice control through Alexa, Apple Home, Google Assistant, and Ring, along with customizable schedules and lighting scenes. The Smart Away function is especially valuable for improving home security by simulating occupancy when you're away. Supporting up to 2 table or floor lamps from a single outlet, this kit combines convenience, reliability, and energy-efficient lighting control, making it a smart investment for bedrooms, living rooms, and any space that benefits from effortless illumination. Now our second product is Tapo TP-Link Tapo Matter Smart Light Switch. The Tapo Matter Smart Light Switch delivers a future-ready smart home experience by combining broad compatibility, reliable local control, and effortless automation in one device. Thanks to Matter support, it integrates seamlessly with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings, eliminating the hassle of managing multiple apps for different ecosystems. One of its biggest strengths is smooth LAN communication, allowing connected Matter devices to interact directly even during internet outages. This ensures faster response times and greater reliability for everyday lighting control. The multi-admin feature adds even more flexibility, letting different family members use their preferred smart home platform without conflicts. Installation is simplified through the intuitive Tapo app, which provides clear step-by-step guidance, while voice control offers convenient hands-free operation whenever needed. Whether you're carrying groceries or walking into a dark room, a simple voice command instantly adjusts your lights. Overall, this smart switch is an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable performance, cross-platform compatibility, and a modern, unified smart home experience. Our third product is Elegroup Digital Slide Dimmer Light Switch. This advanced digital dimmer switch stands out with its MCU control technology, delivering exceptionally smooth and consistent brightness adjustments while supporting a wide range of LED lighting. The customizable dimming curves allow users to create the perfect ambience for relaxing evenings, productive workspaces, or cozy family gatherings without flickering or uneven performance. Its universal compatibility supports dimmable LED and CFL bulbs up to 300 W, as well as incandescent and halogen bulbs up to 600 W, making it a flexible upgrade for almost any home. The no-neutral required design is especially valuable for older houses, while single-pole and 3-way functionality adds installation versatility. A sleek, borderless appearance blends effortlessly with modern interiors, enhancing the overall look of any room. Practical features like the optional locator light and gradual fade-on function improve everyday convenience by making switches easy to find and reducing sudden brightness that can strain your eyes. Combined with durable thermoplastic construction, safety certifications, and dependable warranty coverage, this dimmer offers lasting performance and excellent value. Now number 4, Elegroup Dimmer Switch Digital Dimmer Light Switch. This digital dimmer switch offers a refined lighting control experience powered by MCU integrated circuit technology, ensuring smooth and stable dimming across a wide range of compatible LEDs. Its adjustable dimming curve allows users to fine-tune brightness levels, creating the perfect atmosphere for any setting while maintaining consistent performance without flicker. The design is equally impressive, featuring a soft matte finish, elegant curves, and a quiet rocker mechanism that enhances both aesthetics and usability. The hidden LED indicator keeps the surface clean and minimal, only appearing when needed, which adds a modern, premium touch to any interior. With support for incandescent bulbs up to 450W and dimmable LEDs up to 150W, it provides solid versatility for everyday lighting needs. The fade-on and fade-off feature improves visual comfort by allowing eyes to adjust gradually, while also extending bulb lifespan. Easy installation is supported by its ultra-slim profile and three-way compatibility, though it requires a neutral wire and careful setup for optimal performance and safety. And our last choice is Casa Smart Switch 2 Gang HS200-2. The Casa 2 Gang Smart Switch is a smart and space-efficient solution for controlling two separate lighting circuits from a single, sleek wall panel. Its flush 2-gang design blends seamlessly into modern interiors while combining practicality with a clean, minimal aesthetic. Installation is made easier through the Casa app's step-by-step guidance, removing the confusion often associated with traditional wiring setups. However, it does require a neutral wire and a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for proper functionality. Once installed, users can enjoy full smart control without complexity, with app and voice control support via Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. Managing lights becomes effortless from anywhere. Whether you're at home or away, the ability to check status and control devices remotely adds both convenience and peace of mind. Advanced scheduling and countdown timers allow automation of daily routines, while the away mode enhances home security by simulating occupancy. Overall, this smart switch delivers strong functionality, reliable remote access, and practical automation in a stylish dual-control design. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.